Hey, everybody. I just got off the phone talking to a prospective buyer, and we discussed Dower, Dower rights here in the state of Ohio. Ohio, I think, is one of two states that still have Dower laws on the books. I can't remember the other state offhand. But anyway, I thought, you know what, let's just do a quick 4 or 5 minute video talking about these because I always get questions about them when I list a property or, when we're selling property and you have spouses, divorces, things like that that's involved. So, hey, this is Brian Kapple. I'm with the Athens Real Estate Company here at 540 West Union Street in Athens. I'm actually in the brokerage today, so the background's a little bit different. So, talking about Dower. So, Ohio Dower refers to the legal rights granted to a surviving spouse regarding ownership of real property in Ohio. It is a concept that is rooted in common law. So the colonists back in the 1700s brought this with them because at that time, England was all common law. So it's designed to provide financial protection to spouses, particularly in cases where property ownership is primarily in one spouse's name. So here are four key aspects to Ohio Dower. So 1/3 interests. So under Ohio law, Dower gives a surviving spouse a 1/3 life interest in any real property owned by the other spouse during their marriage. This means the surviving spouse has the right to use 1/3 of the property or receive income from it during their lifetime. Number two, applicability. Almost messed that one up. Dower rights apply to both residential and commercial properties. So even if a property is titled only in the name of one spouse, the other spouse has dower rights to it. This includes property acquired before and during the marriage. Number three, transfer and sale of property. If a property owner wants to sell or transfer real estate, both spouses typically need to sign the deed. Even if the property is solely in one spouse's name, this ensures that the spouse's dower rights are relinquished. Number four, impact on estates. Upon the death of one spouse, the surviving spouse is entitled to the 1/3 dower interest, even if the property is willed to someone else. However, the dower interest only applies to property owned during the marriage and is considered a life estate, meaning the surviving spouse cannot sell the property, only use or receive benefits from it during their lifetime. And lastly, number five, I think I said we had 4 talking points. There's 5. The dower waiver. Spouses can voluntarily waive their dower rights, typically during the sale of property or by signing a prenuptial agreement that includes a waiver of dower. So any changes? So changes to dower laws. Many states have abolished these rights. I don't know why. Ohio still retains this legal provision. There have been some movements recently to reform or eliminate these rights due to their complexity and the evolving nature of property law. Sorry about that. I think the last time an attempt was made to do something with these, maybe it was about 2018 or 19. Ohio dower laws are important consideration for real estate transactions, estate planning, and property rights within a marriage. So by no means am I an expert. I tried to vet this information the best that I could. It is complicated. I have ran into a couple dower issues, doing some transactions that, the title company was really good at their job and was on it, and we were able to get through it pretty quick. So anyway, like I said, I had a long conversation this morning, and it seems like that a lot of people are not aware that these laws exist in Ohio, and they only find out about it if they try, to sell some property or buy something while they're still married, or maybe there's a pending divorce, stuff like that. So anyway, hey, look, I am here for your real estate needs. Any questions on buying or selling anything, send me a message, give me a call. I'll be glad to help you. And you know what? Make sure you like and share these programs. I'm trying to get a little bit better on them, so I think they're progressively getting better. So hope everybody has a wonderful and safe day. Thank you.